you coming?
Yep, it's working.
Hi, Mom. Look at my raspberry finger.
Yay!
I love it so much. I'm gonna decide to eat it. Yum.
I'm gonna have one too.
Please here. Mom, here. Have raspberry finger. This one.
It won't fit. Okay, there we go. I have a raspberry finger.
Squash.
Isn't it nice to have fruits?
Uh-huh.
And what are these?
Grapes.
Mm. Mm-mm.
This is the last raspberry. Last raspberry. Here, Mommy. This is the piece for you.
Thank you.
Let's do it together.
Delish.
Mom. That's the last raspberry.
What?
Mommy, that's only the last one. It's the last raspberry.